Hello guys, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we are going to take a look at how to download videos from various media platforms using this application called SnapTube. SnapTube is an application that can help download videos from various media platforms online, such as Facebook, Instagram, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and YouTube itself. So just stay tuned and we explain fully how the process is being done. Here is already the application of SnapTube where you can download stuff. But let's start with how to get the SnapTube installed on your own phone. So you have to go to your Google Chrome or maybe any other browser you use on your phone, and then you search for SnapTube. And then you add this APK to it. Since we are downloading but an APK kind of file, it's not just an executable for Android. Once you have done that, you choose the first link which shows snaptubeapp.com. Under the first link we have download SnapTube. So just go straight to the point and just choose download SnapTube, which is this second option under snaptubeapp.com. And once that's done, you scroll down. You can also read how it works. But you have to scroll down till you see where they have written download SnapTube. You click on it to get the application. Once that's done, you wait, and then you see this download pop-up that comes. You have to click on it, and once that's done, the application is going to be downloaded for us. When you see this notification which says it might be an APK, or do you want to install the application, simply take yes, because that's what they are going to show you on your own phone. But as for me, I just downloaded the application, so they're telling me that do I want to download it again or should I cancel. But now that I already have it, but for you who doesn't have it yet, you will not find this notification telling you to download again. No, you just have the option to download, and you click download, and that's it. Then you join me later after downloading. It's gonna take some time depending on your internet speed. And once you have downloaded, you have to install the application. And to install, they will ask you if you really want to install, because there will be like some security notifications that will pop up saying that the app might be harmful to your device or not. For that, you have to choose yes, because the application is not from Play Store itself where you normally get applications for Android devices. So you have to choose the option of yes and allow it to install on your device. But once you are done, you go back and then you disable it. Once you are done installing, you open the SnapTube application, wherein you can search for what you want using just a name, or sometimes the link to what you need, or sometimes you just have to share something and then you share it to SnapTube. When you choose SnapTube as an option for sharing, it just comes here and you can download it. Right now we are into the application. You can find some trending videos online that are showing on the main page of the application. Here you can have videos, musics, trending stuffs, channels, and the rest. So for us who wanted to search up for something, we can just click on search YouTube, and then we choose a name, any name, anything that you want to search. Here I can search for maybe music, just a random word music, and I will wait for it to do its searches and then produce me some songs. Also, with the application you can download from any website, so anything, so far as you can get the full link, you put it on this search bar, you get to play the video, even download and save it, just the audio if you want. For example, let's say we want this song here with which is just 2 minutes 33 seconds. First of all, you click on the song and it loads. After loading, you can play the song just as it has started now, like that. You can also increase the size of the song. You can use it to review your videos, so no issues. So you can go back to download. Let's download this video which is playing right now, like this. To download it, you have this small download icon that shows beside each and every video we have here. So you have to click on the download button. So let's say for this video we just played, I simply have to click on this download and it resolves the URL and then it gets me the link. So if I wanted just a song that just played in the video, I choose the first options that go for music. If I wanted a full video, I choose the other ones that go for video down. So that's how I choose it. So for you, you have to do the same. You choose depending on the resolution you want. Clearer videos with good graphics, they take up a lot of space on your device and they also need a lot of megabytes to download, so you have to choose wisely. But I would recommend always choose 480p. It's always like cutting across. Doesn't take too much data, but it's not very clear too, but you can also see everything in the video that you wanted to see. So that's why I just said that one is the best. But if you want something to get the full quality of the video, always go for the highest. Here we have 1080p HD as the highest, and you can see the size, it's 50.9 megabytes, and you can see from up here the video is just 2.33 minutes, but you see that with the HD you get it for 50.9 megabytes. Meanwhile, with the smallest resolution of 144p, you can get it for 1.4 megabytes. So it just depends on a matter of choice. Maybe you can also try them and then you get to find out which resolution you likely be choosing. And for the sake of the video, for the tutorial, let me just choose the first, which is 144p, so that it will not take much time to download. Here I can choose the download path where it's supposed to be stored, and I can edit the name of the song and keep what should be displayed as its name. So that's how and what I can do here. So after that, I click download and I wait for it to download. This lag player they ask for is installation. Actually, you don't really need it. It's to play audios and videos, just like another application for playing audios and videos created by this very Snaptube. So if you don't absolutely need it, I recommend you just close it. And you can see it downloads by pressing this top button that shows downloads. It's just at the right of the search bar. You can see the song has already downloaded, and I can just click play. One thing that is good about the app is Once you have downloaded a song, you can just play it from the application itself. And also, when downloading, if your internet connection gets finished, you can resume back the next time that you have internet connection. You open the application, so it has a lot of cool features. So that's basically it, downloading from the application. If you had a link, instead of you searching the name of the stuff, you can just search for the link and then you paste it. That's just all. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. We wish that it was helpful, and if it helped you, please like, comment, share and recommend to others. See you next time, and we hope you give it a thumbs up for more. Thanks.